Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using Massachusetts UST database. The first resource that I wanted to show you is a blog post on Convenience Talk, and what this has is the links to all the UST databases, and they're organized by state. And so if I go down the page and click on this link, it will take you to this page. What I've done too, in addition, is I'm just search for all open storage tanks at these facilities, and so it brought this list up. And just to show you what one of these reports would look like, I brought up this record here, and it'll give you a lot of good information and a lot of detail. First of all, it'll give you the type of establishment. It'll give you owner information as well as contact information. Operator also information. And then information about the tanks that are in use. You can see there's these 3 tanks here. And you can even see a little bit of ownership history. And that's it for Massachusetts. My name is Melanie. Thank you for watching this video.